Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Yesterday morning when I went to the local wet market, I saw one very nice bitter melon. Long time, Appa hasn't been cooking one dish called bitter melon chicken stew or chicken stew with bitter melon or bitter gourd. So today I'm going to cook it very easy. I have approximately about 500-600 grams of free-range chicken here. You can use any kind of chicken and any chicken parts that you have. You can marinate it with a little bit of light soya sauce, all right? Then of course we need the bitter melon. Remove the center white portion. Then cut it into shapes like this, chunks, yeah? It's basically chunks. I will have few pieces of ginger and also garlic, and of course I'll be using my 100% nature ingredient made Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Anviat Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Many people told me they like Appa to show them in one glance what are the seasoning that I'm actually using. So of course I'll be using, you will need some filtered water. Yeah, I'm using hot water here. Oyster sauce, salt, light soya sauce, Sautéing wine, and I'll be using a little bit of sugar. Right, first of all, prepare a wok or a deeper pan. Give it some oil, and let's heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger and also garlic. Saute it for a while. Brown it a little bit before we continue. We come back shortly. Once you start to see the garlic started to brown, we can put in the marinated chicken and marinate it with a little bit of light soya sauce and a bit of Sautéing wine. Let me double check the focus. All right. The bitter melon. This bitter melon is quite big today actually. Don't think we'll be able to finish the bitter melon. Never mind. My aunt was here at my house recently. Then she was saying that she noticed the way I cook nowadays is so much more simplified than before. And yes, she's definitely right about it because we all are working. Like today, I only reached home after jam like 1 hour from my office at about 6 plus. So we have very limited time to cook. So always good to make some easier recipe, yeah? But still, it can still taste very good. Look at the beautiful yellowish color from my free-range chicken. I love free-range chicken. Give it some Sautéing wine. Give it some hot filtered water. Give it some oyster sauce. About 1 tablespoon at least. Give it 2 rounds of light soya sauce, premium light soya sauce, okay? I will decide whether I want to add in the dark soya sauce later. Give it some fine salt. About 1 teaspoon to start with. Give it some my favorite premium Vietnamese fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. A bit of sugar. Let's mix everything up nicely. I think I'm not adding the dark soya sauce. This dish is not supposed to be too dark. So next thing, very simple, bring this to a boil. Actually, this dish is like 70% done. See how simple it is to make dinner at home. Very easy, even when you are working, no problem. Right, it is now boiling. Let me find a lid. Put on the lid, tune down to medium-low heat, and I'm going to cook it for approximately 20 minutes. Then it should be fine. Just want to make sure the melon, the bitter melon is fully cooked through by then. Chicken will be cooked in about 10 minutes. Yeah? Alright, this is coming to about 17, 18 minutes. I noticed the bitter melon has already turned color, telling me that it is ready. You can still adjust to taste using some salt and sugar, up to you, but to me, I know this is fine. Do I want to starch it? Maybe I just starch it a little bit. Off the fire. Start solution. Give it a few stir and it is done. You can see the bitter melon already turned color, meaning it's already cooked through. All right. Oh, let's give it a bit of white pepper. Ready to be served. Right, so here's our very simple chicken stew with bitter melon. This is one dish that you can always find in any Zap Fan restaurant in Malaysia. All right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.